The 2026 GWM Haval H9 arrives with a bold new vision, combining rugged off-road capability, premium comfort, advanced technology, and modern styling into one highly capable full-size SUV. Designed for drivers who want the confidence to tackle challenging terrain without sacrificing everyday practicality and luxury, the latest Haval H9 represents a significant evolution of one of Great Wall Motors' most respected vehicles. Built to compete with some of the most established SUVs in the world, the 2026 model introduces major improvements in design, performance, safety, and refinement, making it a compelling choice for families, adventurers, and SUV enthusiasts alike. From the moment you see it, the new Haval H9 makes a strong impression with its commanding presence and muscular proportions. The front end features a larger and more sophisticated grille design, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that provide excellent visibility while creating a modern and premium appearance. The sculpted hood, bold front bumper, and integrated skid plate emphasize the SUV's adventurous character, while carefully designed aerodynamic elements improve efficiency and reduce wind noise. The overall design strikes an impressive balance between rugged durability and contemporary sophistication. Along the side profile, the Haval H9 showcases strong character lines, pronounced wheel arches, and a high ground clearance that immediately signals its off-road capability. New alloy wheel designs ranging from 18 to 20 inches enhance the vehicle's stance, while durable cladding and protective trim elements add both style and functionality. Roof rails provide additional versatility for carrying outdoor equipment, making the SUV ideal for camping trips, long-distance travel, and family adventures. At the rear, redesigned LED taillights create a distinctive lighting signature, while the robust tailgate and integrated spoiler contribute to the vehicle's modern look. Chrome accents and refined detailing help elevate the premium feel, ensuring the H9 looks equally at home in the city or deep in the wilderness. Step inside the cabin, and it becomes clear that GWM has focused heavily on comfort and refinement. The interior of the 2026 Haval H9 offers a spacious and welcoming environment designed to accommodate up to 7 passengers with ease. Premium soft-touch materials cover much of the dashboard, door panels, and seating surfaces, while elegant stitching and metallic accents enhance the upscale atmosphere. The seats are designed to provide excellent support during long journeys and feature available heating, ventilation, and power adjustment functions. The driver benefits from an elevated seating position that offers excellent visibility of the road ahead, contributing to both comfort and confidence behind the wheel. Technology plays a major role in the new H9 experience. A large, high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system serves as the centerpiece of the dashboard, providing access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and connectivity features. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. A fully digital instrument cluster presents essential driving information in a clear and customizable format, while a heads-up display helps drivers stay focused on the road ahead. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging capabilities, and premium connectivity options ensure that all occupants remain connected and entertained throughout every journey. Rear seat passengers enjoy generous legroom and headroom, making the H9 an excellent choice for larger families. The second row seats can slide and recline for added comfort, while the third row provides practical seating for additional passengers when needed. Cargo capacity remains one of the SUV's strongest attributes. With flexible folding seat configurations, the H9 can accommodate everything from groceries and luggage to camping equipment and sports gear, making it exceptionally versatile for everyday life and outdoor adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 GWM Haval H9 is expected to offer a range of advanced powertrain options designed to deliver strong performance while improving efficiency. Depending on the market, buyers may have access to a turbocharged gasoline engine, a diesel variant, or a modern hybrid-assisted powertrain. The most popular option is expected to be a refined turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that produces impressive horsepower and torque figures, ensuring confident acceleration and effortless highway cruising. Power delivery is smooth and responsive, making the SUV enjoyable to drive in a wide range of conditions. The engine is paired with a sophisticated automatic transmission that provides quick and seamless gear changes. Whether navigating city traffic or exploring remote trails, the transmission works efficiently to optimize both performance and fuel economy. The advanced four-wheel drive system remains one of the H9's defining features. Designed to handle challenging environments, it provides exceptional traction on dirt, mud, sand, snow, and rocky terrain. Drivers can select from multiple terrain modes that automatically adjust throttle response, transmission behavior, traction control settings, and differential operation to suit specific conditions. This intelligent system allows even less experienced drivers to confidently tackle demanding off-road situations.
Off-road capability has always been a core strength of the Haval H9, and the 2026 model builds upon that reputation. A robust ladder frame chassis provides the durability required for serious adventure, while generous ground clearance, favorable approach and departure angles, and advanced suspension systems allow the SUV to overcome obstacles with ease. Electronic locking differentials enhance traction when driving on uneven surfaces, and hill descent control assists during steep downhill sections. These features combine to create a vehicle capable of venturing far beyond paved roads while maintaining comfort and stability. On the highway, the H9 delivers a surprisingly refined driving experience. Advanced suspension tuning helps absorb road imperfections, resulting in a smooth and comfortable ride for all occupants. Improved sound insulation reduces cabin noise, creating a quieter environment that enhances long-distance travel. Steering response has been refined to provide better precision and confidence, while the vehicle's solid construction contributes to a stable and reassuring feel at higher speeds. Safety remains a top priority for GWM, and the 2026 Haval H9 incorporates a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance technologies. Features include adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and driver attention monitoring. Multiple cameras provide a 360-degree view around the vehicle, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces significantly easier. These technologies work together to improve safety and reduce driver stress during everyday operation. The H9 also benefits from a strengthened body structure designed to enhance occupant protection during collisions. Multiple airbags, advanced braking systems, electronic stability control, and traction management technologies provide additional layers of safety and confidence. Families can travel with peace of mind knowing that the SUV has been engineered to meet modern safety expectations. Comfort and convenience features further enhance the ownership experience. Depending on the trim level, buyers may enjoy panoramic sunroofs, premium leather upholstery, tri-zone climate control, powered tailgates, ambient interior lighting, and high-quality audio systems. Smart key functionality, remote vehicle monitoring, and smartphone-controlled features add an extra layer of convenience, reflecting the growing integration of digital technology into modern vehicles. Fuel efficiency has also improved thanks to advancements in engine technology, aerodynamics, and weight optimization. Hybrid variants, where available, offer even greater efficiency while delivering strong performance. These improvements help reduce operating costs without compromising the capability and versatility that define the H9. One of the most attractive aspects of the 2026 GWM Haval H9 is its value proposition. While offering many features typically associated with premium SUVs, it remains competitively priced, making it accessible to a broader range of buyers. This combination of capability, comfort, technology, and affordability positions the H9 as a serious contender in the increasingly competitive SUV market. The 2026 GWM Haval H9 represents a significant step forward for the brand, delivering a well-rounded package that appeals to families, adventurers, and technology enthusiasts alike. With its bold design, spacious interior, advanced features, strong performance, and genuine off-road capability, the H9 continues to build upon its reputation as a versatile and dependable SUV. Whether exploring remote landscapes, commuting through busy city streets, or embarking on long road trips with family and friends, the new Haval H9 is designed to handle every challenge with confidence, comfort, and style, making it one of the most impressive SUVs in its class and a vehicle that truly embodies the spirit of modern adventure.